Hello, my dear students. Today, as usual, we will go for solution for some questions which are very important from board examination point of view. They are called sample questions. They are called previous board examination questions, or most likely questions, or most probable questions, whatever you call. So those examples are called most likely, most probable, or very important questions. Today, I have selected the most important chapter, carbon and its compounds, because this chapter comes in 11th and 12th in detail. That's why let us discuss some questions on what carbon and its compounds. So, my dear students, I welcome you all for today's session on discussion on sample questions. What is meant by a functional group in an organic compound? Functional group. A group performs a particular function. Okay. How it performs? Why it performs? Because it is a group of atoms. It is a group of atoms. Because of that group of atoms, certain kind of chemical atmosphere is created. So because of the creation of a particular kind of chemical atmosphere, they behave like that. That's why it will perform a particular function. That's why it is called as what? That group. Which group? Group of atoms which is performing a particular function, a particular property. That is known as what? Functional group. Okay. Many functional groups are there in carbon chemistry. Aldehyde group, ketonic group, carboxylic group, ester, ether, amine. So many groups are there. Okay. Right. Second part is what? Name the functional group present in CH3, CH2OH. OH is the functional group present in this compound and its name is what? Alcoholic. Okay, right. CH3COOH. COOH is called what? Carboxylic acid group. Okay. So in this way, we will answer this question. Okay. This is for normally for 3 marks. Okay, right. State one point of difference between soap and synthetic detergent. Both will give cleansing action. But the main difference between soap and the synthetic detergent is what? Soap works only with soft water. Okay. It gives rich lather, rich foam with water, soft water. Whereas synthetic detergent is made from special chemicals. It will work or it will give rich lather even with hard water also. So leave about the soap, soft water. Even with hard water, this gives first class rich lather. That is the difference between what? Soap and the detergents. Okay, right. Give reasons. Number one, the element carbon forms a very large number of compounds. First point is what? Carbon's place on the modern periodic table. It is exactly at the center where before carbon atoms wants to donate electrons, whereas after the carbon atoms wants to lose electrons. Sorry, before the carbon atom wants to donate electrons, and after the carbon atoms wants to gain electron. It is the carbon which is exactly in the middle because of its special electronic configuration and small size. Neither it donates nor it accepts. It want to go for share. So because of the sharing nature, so it want to share with all. This ability is called as what? This ability is called as what? Catenation. And carbon is tetravalent, making use of the 2 electrons and 2 electrons from the 2p and 2 electrons from the 2s. If you go according to the KLMN and the AFO principle, it will go for the 4 valency. Carbon is tetravalent. Carbon's property is catenation, self-linking, self-combination. So because of all these reasons, compounds of carbon are more in number. That's why The element carbon forms very large number of carbon compounds, and because of this special branch is created, which is known as what? Carbon chemistry or the organic chemistry. Air holes of a gas burner have to be adjusted when the heated vessel get blackened by the flame. See, in the kitchen you might have felt or experienced that because of the problem in the holes, sometimes we get yellowish flame, which blackens our bottom of the vessel, which we use for the cooking. So if you want to go for the blue flame, first you supply proper oxygen. Supply of the sufficient amount of oxygen leads to the proper combustion, that leads to the bluish flame. Therefore, we have to adjust the air holes. Use of synthetic detergents causes pollution of water. Just now we have discussed that synthetic detergents will give best result even with the hard water also. But the problem is, because they are made from the special chemicals which are what? Biologically non-biodegradable. They are threat to the environment. They will not decompose. They will damage the soil. They will damage the water. They will damage the aquatic life. And in total, they will damage the entire environment, biosphere. Therefore, we should not recommend synthetic detergent for the use. But what to do? Nowadays, we can't get software everywhere. So we have to depend upon what? Synthetic detergents. But the problem is what? It causes definitely pollution of water due to what? Non-biodegradable nature of the chemicals which are present in the synthetic detergents. What is ethanoic acid? Ethanoic acid is CH3COH, also called as what? Acetic acid. Okay, right. Write the formula of the functional group present in this acid. COH, already we learnt. Because it belongs to carboxylic acid, so it is having what? COOH as its a functional group, and this is called what? Carboxylic group. Okay, right. What special name is given to 5 to 8% solution of in water? So when 5 to 8% solution of ethanoic acid is put in the water, this is called as the very diluted form of acetic acid or the ethanoic acid, which is in the market, or the brand name is what? Vinegar. Vinegar is what? Very dilute form of ethanoic acid, which is used as a preservative. Okay, it gives some kind of taste also. That's why it finds application in the food chemistry. Okay, right. How does ethanoic acid react with the sodium carbonate? Any acid with the sodium carbonate gives carbon dioxide gas. This also you might have felt in the kitchen. Whenever you put lemon drops on the baking soda, you will get a brisk effervescence of carbon dioxide. Here also, if you put any acid on the carbonate, they give out the carbon dioxide gas along with what? Corresponding salt is formed. Therefore, here what we are doing? We are doing ethanoic acid with sodium carbonate. So, sodium ethanoate is a salt and carbon dioxide is the main product along with what? Water. And this is the chemical equation for the same. What is salt formed here? Salt formed here is sodium acetate. Okay, right. Or if you go for water, IUPAC's name, it is called as sodium ethanoate. An ester has the molecular formula C4H8O2. Write its structural formula. Okay. So we know only the condensed molecular formula. Okay. Now, what are the possible structures we can draw using this condensed formula? For this, what you do? What is ester? Ester is a compound where COO has to be there. Okay, when COO is here, on the left side, minimum H has to be there, and on the right side of the COO, any alkyl group. Either it is the combination of the hydrogen alkyl or alkyl alkyl. So keeping these 2 points in the mind, we will go for possible structures for C4H8O2, which is an ester. He is saying ester. So first we will do what? COO. First to fix COO, 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 ester, what? Functional group. Then on left side I keep H here. So once I keep H here, then I have to take the remaining water in the form of alkyl group, which is called propyl. Or what is one more possibility? I will keep CH2, CH3 this side, CH2 will transfer here, so already H is there, CH2 here, that becomes CH3, COO, C2H5. This is also ester only because CO is there, no, in the center. COO in between, and left right either alkyl or at least one hydrogen anywhere, left or right. Okay. Or one more possibility, CO at the center. This side I will keep CH3 and this side I will keep what? Ethyl CH3 CH2. Okay, right. How to name as per the IUPAC? First, this is taken end point. Okay, so when you take this end point, this is the longest chain, right? Keeping this point in the mind, this is called a methyl 1, 2, 3 propane family. For ester, suffix is ate. Propanoate. Which propanoate? Methyl propanoate. In the same way, this is what? Longest chain. Longest chain is this one. What? 1, 2, 3. Okay. Propyl. Propyl methanoate. This is what? This is ethyl ethanoate. Number one start from the ester group. So ethyl ethanoate, propyl methanoate, methyl propanoate. So these three are the possible ester structures for the C4H8O2. Okay. Now what happens when this ester is heated with what? Sodium hydroxide. Okay, ester with sodium hydroxide uses sodium salt straight away. Okay, so because we have tried all three possible structures for the ester, we will take all three. So first methyl propanoate with sodium hydroxide, sodium propanoate. In place of CH3, sodium comes. Okay, this CH3 and OH gives alcohol. Okay, so this is sodium propanoate, sodium methanoate, sodium ethanoate, and corresponding alcohols. Okay, right. Last question is what? What is saponification? Saponification is soap making. Saponification, both are same. So saponification is preparation of the soap. Okay, from what? From the normally this is soap only, but for the soap, excuse me, for the soap we use water, carboxylic acid with higher molecular mass or higher molecular formula. Therefore, a carboxylic acid with more number of carbon atoms, that is fatty acid, with the sodium hydroxide, that is called what? Soap forming, and the reaction is called what? Saponification. Okay, right. An organic compound A is an essential constituent of wine and beer. This is a clue. So which is used for the wine, beer? Ethanol. So A is ethanol. Oxidation of A, that is ethanol, gives B. What is B? Which is present in the vinegar. Just now we told what is vinegar? Acetic acid. So oxidation of A gives ethanoic acid. So name the compounds A and B. A is ethanol. B is ethanoic acid. So corresponding structure is formed here. Reaction written here. Okay. Then what happens when A and B react in the presence of an acid? So what is A? A is alcohol. B is acid. When alcohol acid reacts in the presence of what? Conc H2SO4, ester is formed. Very famous reaction. Alcohol plus acid gives ester in the water. What is the role of conc H2SO4? Its role is it acts as a dehydrating agent. Okay, or also as a catalyst. So which will favor the formation of water. Once the water is formed, water is there is called as ester. Okay, right. Now, what is ethanol? Ethanol is an alcohol. It is C2H5OH. State its two properties. I told in the normal theory class, its main property is what? It has got a special tangy, peculiar smell, odor. Okay, alcoholic smell. That is a one property. Second important property is what? It is highly soluble in the water. It mixes with water in all proportions. So these two are the most important properties. So those two I selected here. Okay, right. Now, what happens when it is heated with excess of conc H2SO4? So when the alcohol is heated with the conc H2SO4, it is a dehydrating agent OH and H is removed, that is water is removed. Whatever formed is what? Alkene, that is ethene here. Okay, so this is the reaction. And the role of conch is what? Dehydrating agent, hydrating, watery, dehydrating, removal of water. So it removes the water and forms the alkene. Okay. Now what is structure of the ethene? This is structure of the ethene. Okay, this is a condensed form. This is the structural formula of the ethene. Okay, right. So today we discuss some important questions from the carbon and its compounds. So in the next session we discuss few more questions so that we will become ready for the examination. Till then, keep studying and have a nice time. Thank you, my dear students.